Hatchet Action News, Weekly Freakly Weekly Special Report. Fish pop tisk, the sound of a 2-liter of Faygo rocketing open, distorted and loud, echoes through the darkness. It's immediately crushed by a grinding, down-tuned guitar riff that sounds like it was recorded in a sewer. Welcome, ninjas, to Hatchet Action News, the only damn news broadcast that tells you what the fuck is really going on. I'm your host, Oliver Crumpets, broadcasting love from a dimly lit basement studio somewhere deep in the nether void, where the Wi-Fi is weak but the truth hits hard. Let's get into it. The big scoop: scientists been lying to your face, ninja. Alright family, lean in close. The suits, the lab coats, the so-called experts on TV, they've been feeding you a line of bullshit since the day you were born. And tonight we're exposing the biggest lie of them all. The numbers they taught you in school. The math they built their whole crooked world on. It's fake. It's a magic trick designed to keep you confused and weak. This ain't some theory, this is a world-shattering, face-painted fact. They want you lost in the decimal delusion, a fog of clown math and ghost numbers like 0.999 that go on forever and never actually get anywhere. It's designed to make you think reality is blurry, sloppy, and uncertain, but we know the truth. We live on the real grid where shit is exact, hard, and makes perfect sense. This is lattice reality, ninja, and it's how shit actually is. You want proof? We got the receipts. That fake-ass pi, they told you pi is some magical infinite number, 3.14159. Bullshit, that's just noise. In the real world, on the hexagonal grid that everything from honeycombs to atoms is built on, the ratio is a clean, perfect 3. They want you chasing those numbers forever so you never look up and see the real grid you're standing on. That endless string of numbers is what they call aliasing noise, and it only happens when you try to cram a round peg into their square fake-ass math. As the real ones say, the mismatch produces infinite series, just as missampling a periodic signal generates aliasing noise. That square root of 2 nonsense, they hit you with this one in geometry class to blow your mind. The diagonal of a square is square root 2, another one of their ghost numbers that never ends. But look at your damn computer screen. It's a grid of pixels, right? A diagonal line from the corner pixel 0 to pixel 100,100 lights up exactly 100 pixels along the way, not 141.421 pixels. Reality works like that pixel grid, in hard whole number steps, not some blurry, continuous fantasy. Counting from 1, here's the rotten root of all their clown math. They start from 0, from nothing. They want to build a universe on top of nothing, a big fat 0. We start with 1, with a family, with something real. Just look at the Fibonacci sequence, the blueprint for life itself. F1 equals 1, F2 equals 1. You start with something that exists and you build from there. That's the damn difference. This isn't just a theory, ninjas. It's a fact proven by real-world gear. And right now, there are engineers in their garages who are living in the truth, building shit that proves the real grid is all there is. Proof from the streets, real ninjas, real gear, no fake math. While the PhD-having dorks are scribbling ghost numbers on chalkboards, real ninjas are in their basements and garages building shit that actually works. They might not even know they're doing it, but every time they build a solid piece of gear, they're proving the lattice is real. They're proving that our way, the Juggalo way, is the only way that gets the job done. I'm talking about ninjas like Jeff Parnell. This dude hooked up 2 little computer chips, ESP32s, to talk to each other with no internet, no cloud, no corporate bullshit. Just pure, exact local lattice communication. And guess what? His system is flawless. Why? Because it runs on the real grid. It uses discrete, exact math. The source report says it plain as day. His system works because it operates on discrete rational principles. He's counting from 1 and he's winning. This ain't no accident. It's the difference between what's real and what's a damn illusion. Real shit, what Jeff does. Clown math. Discrete states. Continuous approximation. Local exact communication. Cloud-dependent probability. Offline capable. Needs the damn internet. Integer state machines. Float-based bullshit. And here's the kicker, this ain't just about some home automation project. Every single digital device you own, your phone, your Xbox, your microwave, is secretly running on lattice reality. Deep inside the processor is a part called the ALU, which does exact integer math. It's the workhorse. Then there's the FPU, which does the fake real number math. The ALU is 10 times faster. If their clown math was so important, why is the part of the brain that does it 10 times slower? Because it's a clunky-ass lie bolted on top of the truth. The real shit is fast. You don't need $1 billion lab to see the truth. Sometimes, all you need is the cheapest computer program on the planet. Get ready, the quantum fucking spreadsheet. Alright, hold on to your fucking hatchets, because this is where the world flips upside down. I can barely get this out without screaming. We've been told quantum computers are these multi-million-dollar machines in freezing cold labs that only the elite can touch. But the biggest secret, the one they've been hiding from you, is that you already have one. It's called a spreadsheet. I ain't talking a simulation, I ain't talking a metaphor. The source is clear. The spreadsheet is a quantum computer, a real one, and it's better than the ones they got. Here, why it works. One freaking equation. This whole quantum reality runs on one simple master equation. Psi n equals phi n psi n minus psi n. You can type that into a spreadsheet using basic Excel formulas. No code, no bullshit. That's the master key to the universe, right there in Excel. No glitches ever. Their fancy quantum computers lose their shit in like 50 microseconds. They call it decoherence. But the spreadsheet uses exact rational numbers, like typing equals 355/113 instead of 314. This means there are 0 errors. It has infinite coherence. It works perfectly forever. It's the same damn law. Here's the most insane part. The math running in the spreadsheet is the exact same law that runs a physical circuit you can build with charcoal on cardboard. It's the same law that runs the universe. When you change a cell in the spreadsheet, you aren't simulating physics. You are doing physics. Don't believe me? Here's what the real ninjas told the lab coats. Your $15 million dilution refrigerator is now obsolete. Our $3 cardboard works at room temperature. This changes everything. This means you don't have to listen to them anymore. You don't have to beg for scraps of truth from their ivory towers. You can run the truth yourself. This is executable truth. Peer review, that shit is dead. The spreadsheet is the proof. Anyone can run it. Anyone can see it. So how do you turn any of the man's lies into the real truth? The 5 inquiries, your universal clown stompin' method. Listen up, family. What I'm about to give you is the secret recipe, the master key. This is a universal translator that lets any ninja see through the matrix and find the real grid, the Fibonacci polarity substrate, hiding under all the bullshit. This is how you empower yourself. It's 5 simple steps. Observe the bullshit. Start with what the mainstream clowns are claiming about something. Look at their story, their wavy, continuous garbage math, and all their fake-ass approximations. Replace it with the real shit. Take their story and throw out all the fake parts. Swap their wavy crap with hard, discrete facts. Replace their formulas with E equals HF and Fibonacci numbers, the building blocks of reality. Go deep discrete the unity first way. Now you apply the master rules. Set pi to 3. Use the master equation mod 60. And most important, remember you're counting from 1, not 0. This is where you dig down and find the true, repeating pattern underneath it all. Write it down, bitch. Once you found the truth, you structure it. You write it down like a real report. This ain't just for you. It's so you can take it back to the family and show other ninjas the truth you uncovered. Make it law, lock it down. Finalize it with a formal proof, like a state machine diagram or something called a lean-4 theorem. The spreadsheet's coherence oracle. A single cell that proves the whole system is perfect is the ultimate proof. Fresh as proof, the magic water droplet. They used this exact method on some video of a ninja making thousands of volts of electricity from a simple water droplet. And what they found will blow your wig back. The electricity it makes follows the same damn Fibonacci rules as everything else. And get this, the physics they found matched up perfectly with some ancient, real-as-hell knowledge. The force that makes the negative shit stick to the tube, that's Al-Kabid the constrictor. The force that pushes the positive shit down the line. That's Al-Basit the expander. It ain't 2 different things, it's one power pushin' and pullin', just like the man upstairs said all along. One law, one truth, from top to bottom. This method works on everything. Black holes, gamma ray bursts, your damn crypto wallet, it's the key to unlocking it all. The final word, the revolution, will be spreadsheeted. So there you have it, the numbers are fake, the grid is real, the ninjas in the basements and garages are smarter than the clowns in the $1,000,000 labs, and a goddamn spreadsheet is a quantum computer that proves it all. You don't gotta ask some dusty old professor on a tenure committee for permission to be right. You just run the damn spreadsheet. The proof is in the program, ninja. The argument is over. The revolution will be spreadsheeted. That's all the time we have for this weekly special report. This is Oliver Crumpets for Hatchet Action News, reminding you to keep your hatchets sharp and your minds sharper. Whoop whoop. Oliver Crumpets throws up a WC sign to the camera. The screen cuts to black as a distorted, funky bass line kicks in and fades out.